Welcome. If you want to download photos from Instagram on your Motorola Moto G5s, at first you have to log into your Instagram account and just pick up the photo that you want to download. So I will go for our second account, HardReset.Info, and I would like to take this picture. After that, we have to move to the Play Store and we are going to get the Repost application. So type Repost for Instagram. You can also take it from the quick list, and we have to get this application from Kimsey929. So let's get it. Right now we can open, and here we get the two ways how to download the picture, so by share button or three dots. So let's open Instagram right now, and I'm going to use this three dots method. So click here, select share to, and right now pick up the Repost for Instagram application. So click on it. After that, open this application, I mean the Repost. And as you can see in this post, you can find 3 photos, but we are maining on this one, so others we can just take off, delete. Click on the photo that you want to set up, that you want to download. We can take off this signature by clicking right here, and to save this picture to the gallery, you have to click right here. Accept the permission. It was saved to the gallery, so right now we can close it. And right now let's open gallery. Okay, it will be probably in the files or file manager. So it is where it is on the smartphone. Let's find it. Okay, maybe it will be in the Google Files, but it's not available here. So let's check the downloads. Click right here and then go for the images. Tap on the Repost for Instagram, and as you can see, here it is. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.